and gorgeous bow. These birthday wishes coming with love from mom and dad as Aura celebrates in Webb City.
All right, in Parsons, Kansas, Hudson Haley celebrating birthday number 3 this year. Looks like an ornery grin on that little one.
I don't know if the shirt says bad or rad, but I like them both. Liam Hauschel, a 4th birthday. Liam, I want you to have a marvelous, marvelous Thanksgiving birthday week in Carthage.
In Moran, Kyler Botts turning 5 years old this year. Happy birthday, Kyler.
Javier Rosensteiel, an 8th birthday. Oh, I like the Oklahoma jersey, kiddo. That's pretty cool right there. Have a great happy birthday, Javier.
Go number 1. All right, TEAZLY Higgins turning 8 years old this year. Check out that artwork on there. TEAZLY is in Oswego, Kansas.
We got a BUGNI birthday, as we like to say. It is BRYCE. Oh my goodness, he's now double digits. Time, where have you gone? Happy birthday, Mr. Brycer. He's in the Berg and goes to the NAC.
Ah, there's a special one from the KOAM newsroom with love from Mom. Miss ALLIE CLAPP, turning 10 years old, daughter of our news assistant for the KOAM Morning News in the morning and noon.
So that's what she looks like.
Yeah.
You raised good-looking kids, Miss Carrie.
She's almost as tall as Carrie, too.
Really? At 10, she's almost as tall as you? I'll be darned.
And a beautiful singing voice at that.
Happy birthday, Allie.
Happy birthday. Hope you have a wonderful day and week.
Noah Davis, he has a 10th birthday at all. Finish him! The reference was lost on everybody, wasn't it? Thank you, ma'am. Noah Davis, now 10 years old. Noah's in the NAC, and this comes with love from happy birthday from mom and dad. Don't go Cobra Kai on anybody today.
Nice. Madison Shaw turning 22 years old this year. Happy birthday, Madison, in Carterville.
Clayton Clark, celebrating his 24th birthday. You look like somebody getting spoiled on Clayton's birthday. I don't think it's Clayton. Happy birthday, Clayton in Joplin.
And in Neosho, Maddie McGuffey turning 33 years old. Cool picture there of Maddie. Happy birthday.
I like that hat, Maddie. I like that. Dakota WIXON, he's got a 34th birthday. And Dakota is in Baxter Springs. And Dakota, thank you for your service as firefighter as well, sir.
All right, happy birthday, Dakota. And happy belated birthday wish going out to Matthew Bird in Parsons. Just turned 34 years old.
Helen LARUE is celebrating her 90th birthday. Miss LARUE, that's a real cool background. I would love to know exactly what that is. Helen, a very happy birthday to you from all of us here. She's in Moran.
All right, and in Columbus, David Ruddick, happy birthday.
Let's run down to Arma, where Becky Davis is celebrating a birthday. Becky, a very happy birthday to you.
All right, happy birthday, Becky. And
hey, who that is?
Happy birthday to our Nightside director. In the control room, we got Ginny SCHAEFFER.
Happy birthday, Ginny.
She's probably sleeping right now.
That's a good picture, though. I like that. Colleen Grant celebrates a birthday in Scammon. Calvin Bradney, happy birthday in Columbus. And a happy 35th to Tim Sanders.
And Nathan Ward just celebrated a birthday up in Fort Scott. And Stephanie Watts, happy birthday to you. Running a story about your new business in Pittsburgh. I see that. And John and Leah Brassard in Columbus are celebrating an anniversary.
Over the weekend, Chelsea Barton had a birthday celebration. Chelsea, let's just keep the celebration going all the way into Thanksgiving, my friend. Happy birthday in Fredonia. And Frank Davis is celebrating a birthday in Miami. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's where you can send them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com or go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. Once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Do you want to do all that later week info?
Oh, yes. Okay, as you know, each year for our Thanksgiving show, because of the Macy's Day Parade, our show on KOAM is just from 5 to 6 a.m. Our Fox show will still be on from 7 to 8, but when we normally do birthdays, we're not going to be on air here. It'll be the national news. So if you do have a birthday on Thanksgiving, we ask that you submit them early. We'll do our best to air them on Wednesday this year. And you can submit them to one of those sites. There you go, Michael.
Those are our marching orders going